So, welcome to another stream or video. Welcome. Thank you very much for joining. Make sure to subscribe and hit the ring notification. And I got a little bit, how to say it, I was a little bit wondered, okay? So this morning I woke up like every single day, and I hope for many, many days ahead, and seeing the following SEC filling, okay? And I'm looking through it, it's a Form 4, and seeing here that someone is selling a huge amount of shares, okay? And what's happening is that I went through it and then saw that it's actually our chairman of the board, Chamath, who is selling shares. And I thought, well, what is going on, guys? Okay. And I was like, in the first second or first minute, I was like, wait a second, what is going on? The last mission was rescheduled. Now that, is there something going on? And this kind of filling is to be done by every owner that has more or equivalent to 10% of all the holdings of a company, because the SEC want just to have fantastic transparency, and that's why this filling. So this filling is showing you how much shares he sold for how many dollars. And as you can see here, 1.9 million for 26.67, 92,736 for 27.54, and the rest of 1.8 million for $24.64. Now, first of all, you're wondering why the chairman is selling. Is he knowing something that we don't know, right? Or is he not convinced anymore about the company? And as transparent as Chamath really is, he just told us on Twitter, okay? And he tweeted this morning, please note that I filled a Form 4 for the sales of 3.8 million shares of space. I sold these shares to help manage my liquidity as I fund several new projects starting in 2021. I remain committed and excited for the future of space. Just wanted to be transparent. And first of all, I love this, okay? I love that people in 2020 or 2021, specifically this very, very amazing leaders of the financial, future, like Chamath is in the end of the day, are sharing this kind of things and are super transparent with us. So let's make the calculation first, okay? Let me see if I have a calculator here on this thing. Calculator. All right. So here we go. So let's say, or we know it, but he bought 10 million shares, right? For a price at the IPO price of $10, right? So he spent of his own money, as a proof that he is so committed to space, $100 million, guys. And this is in addition what he actually got with social capital, which is his hedge fund. So it's not that he's just having the portion with social capital, but actually his own money. He says he's so committed to this company like everyone else that he's putting $100 million of his own money. First of all, it's more money that we all together have invested into space, so this is showing you how much committed he is. But, now he's selling of this 100 million that he originally invested, 3.8 million shares times, let's say on the average of 25, which is $95 million. Okay, so he invested 100 million and he just pulled out 95 million. So he basically pulled out his original investment and still left with more than 60% of his shares. Now, let's dive into it, how much he still have in Virgin Galactic, okay? So 6,200,000 shares he still have for the current price of 25.62, which equals to 158 million shares, almost 159 million. So here you go. So, in the financial world, specifically in the high net wealth individuals, they're always trying to, maximize their money and also to risk management their money. So he thought, I made 150% on my original investment. It's time, because he has, IPO A, which was Virgin Galactic, until IPO Z, which was 26 specs that he needs money for. And obviously, I don't put any bad emotions to that, because this is so smart of him. He still have more committed that he originally have committed, and now we even know where the money goes. So he just tweeted just a couple of minutes ago that IPO B merger has been fully approved with OpenDoor. OpenDoor is let's say, distributor in housing viewings, and the ticker changes to Open tomorrow and starts trading on Nasdaq. Congrats to Eric. He is a legendary CEO in the making. So he is now telling us where the money goes. This is fantastic, guys. This is absolutely great. Not only that, but he also made another tweet, which is, I think, let me see. Let us go to his Twitter account. And he wrote, for example, 4 hours ago, some news. Starting in January 2021, Social Capital, which is his hedge fund, will resume Series A and B ventures investments in a big way. We think we found a way to allow you to participate. We have a disruptive spin of syndicates. It will be a community effort. Then he posted also details to come in Q1, but I'm very excited about what's planned. Meanwhile, you might start to see a bunch of announcements of deals we've done recently. P.S. Our venture investing track record is as good as our public investing track record. So, shots fired. Here we come. And then, this scene of Braveheart. If you want to help, please email us at inbox@socialcapital.com with the subject community investing. So you can, send your interesting companies to him and he will look over with his team. I think this is, investing 2.0 or 3.0, however you are calling it. I think that is amazing. Guys, I think that this is amazing. He's so transparent. I think that this is another bullish sign, actually, even though he sold the shares, but having such a smart mind as the chairman of the board of Virgin Galactic is a very, very strong statement here, okay? And let's have a look how the stock of Virgin Galactic reacted. Actually, originally, the day started a little bit lower. I think we went as low as 3% down, but we hold it the $25 mark. Oh, no, we didn't. But we hold the $24 mark and 81 cents. And if you are looking into the chart, let's have a look if we are, there's my Picasso. Here you see that we are actually exactly going down here in the middle where we bounced off the last couple of days, and then now we are fighting with the resistance of $25, which I hope we can break out, and then if we can close here, we can trade somewhere in this area. And if we even enter again this nicely big trend here with maybe an announcement of the next test flight, which is to be rescheduled and retaken. And actually we have here in the Discord chat of our community, if you want to join, make sure to check it out. It's an amazing group. You can press the join button below all my videos and live streams, and you can get to this amazing group chat that we are talking 24 hours about Virgin Galactic and Co. And here actually our members are discussing already the next test flight, because apparently Virgin Galactic is already testing some flights, okay? Here they did on the 17th, so yesterday, a flight near the headquarter. So we don't know, was it the test flight, was it the white night, or just to checking something or training the new pilots. You know, everything could happen, because this company, even though we don't know, but they are working, guys. They are working very hard for this mission. So I'm super glad. I wanted to update you. I wanted to update you with this great news. And you know, I'm not mad at him. This is risk management. I think I would do the same if I would, you know, have so much money in the game. $158 million is a huge commitment to the stock in the future, and he stays on board. He stays committed. So no worries at all. Make sure also to smash that like button if you like these updates, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny, if you don't want to miss anything behind the scenes. There's a lot of big announcement coming in the next couple of days, so stay tuned. I love you all, and stay healthy, obviously. Subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow.